Assalamualaikum. Let's make karaage, Japanese fried chicken. I have here chicken thighs cut into cubes. Skin on, guys. Marinate it with garlic and ginger. 1 piece of egg. Cornstarch and black pepper. Little salt. Rice vinegar with a little sugar. With your clean hands, mix until well combined. Dredge your chicken with cornstarch. Slow with drizzle with lemon and a little salt. And now we fry it. See the consistency, guys, so appetizing. Our chicken karaage with the cabbage slaw and mayonnaise. The best fried chicken ever. Enjoy, guys. Try it at home.